Hello everyone, welcome to CADD Nest. This is Amsa. Today I am going to explain about how to make curtain wall and curtain grid and for that mullion. Okay now. So for that I am going to level 1 and just go here modify tool, select the split option and just split from here to here, then go to 3D view. I split here also, then press escape, then join geometry, select this wall and this wall and this wall and this wall. Then for example I'll make this is curtain wall, this one. Okay now, select this wall and go here, change the curtain wall. For example I'll make curtain wall or exterior glazing. See here it's changed. Now for example I need to add some grids and mullions. Okay, for that go to architecture. Here we have curtain grids. Select the grids, all the one segments all except picked. Okay now I need all the segments now, so that is in vertical portion. If then only one segment from here. Okay now here I need all the segments, here one and here one. Again I need one segment, I'll make here one segment. Okay now exterior grid is created, but I'll show you in wireframe. See, then go to mullion option. Mullion, it means frame. Here also we have grid lines, grid line segment, all grid line. Here I am selecting the grid line. Grid line means particular line. For example entire, it's selected entire, and then only grid line segment, it means between segments. See, only segment will be created. Or else I need all the grid lines, means select that and click the grid button. See, it's created all. Go to edit. Here you can edit your requirement. Here it's like aluminum material. If you need means you can change, that is also. At present I don't want, that's what I close this. So that's it. I'll show you in realistic view. See, this is called as like create curtain panel, and we add the curtain grid and then mullion. This is the procedure. I think now you got it. Thank you for watch the session. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the updated notifications.